Hey bargain babes, it's Julia Elise and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited to be filming right now. I have not filmed in such a long time. I have been under the weather, if you can't tell by my voice and my appearance, but I've not been feeling well for quite some time now. And I'm just really glad to be back and filming and doing what I love. So today I am back with a new video. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of My Fashion Crate, which is a monthly subscription box. It's not sponsored. They just sent it to me to review for you guys. So your girl's gonna be brutally honest here. And my last one, I absolutely loved the stuff they sent me, and I honestly felt like it was worth the money, but I am pretty particular about subscription boxes. It'll be interesting to see if My Fashion Crate is as good as it was last year. So I'm excited to get into today's video. So if you're interested in seeing what's in My Fashion Crate this month, just keep on watching. Okay, so I got my scissors, and like I said, I'm going to be brutally honest with you guys because I think that $50 is a lot, and I better be getting a bang for my buck. So, first things first. Oh, that is so cute! Okay, so it's this really long but lightweight trench coat, and it's gorgeous gray color. It's by the brand Sweet Wanderer. Okay, so this retails for $55, and it's pretty nice quality. It feels really nice. It does need a good steam, but I will try this on for you guys. We are off to a good start. Okay, so the next thing in the box is this little white hairband. This is supposed to get your hair out of your face while you're putting on makeup or doing your skincare routine. So this is very soft, it's very plushy, but for me, if I was putting on makeup, I would definitely not go for a white color. I would definitely use this while I am doing like my skincare routines. So that's pretty cute, but it's not going to stay white for long. This retails for $8, which is whatever. Okay, so the next thing I found is this phone pocket. So this is a peel and stick iPhone carry cards and cash on the back of your phone. I personally never had this. I think it's a cool concept. Supposedly they're pretty secure. They do make me a little bit nervous, but Bren has one, and so I probably would use this. And I love the silver. That's like what my wallet looks like now, so I really like that a lot. This retails for $10, so. The next thing I see in here is this Stockholm Rose Nourishing Hand Cream, and this retails for $12, which is pretty expensive hand cream. Whoa. That smells really nice. Ooh, I really like that. So my hands this time of year are gross. Like, they are so dry, and I like how this is super light but nourishing. So 2 thumbs up for me. I actually really like that a lot. So what the? Oh, cute. Okay, they're socks. So they are like little lace socks. They'd be really cute if you're wearing like a dressier pair of boots. That's really cute. I've never seen like dressy socks like that. I would never like actively pick these out, but they're really, really cute, guys. Cool. I mean, I would not spend $9 on a pair of socks, but it's included in the box, so don't gotta worry about that. Okay, so same brand as the white one, but these I really, really like. They're little hair clips to kind of pin your hair off of your face, which I would definitely be more inclined to use these when I take my makeup off. So I really like those. And again, they say OMG, OMG on them, which is super cute. So these retail for $8, which is kind of pricey for little hairbands, but they're cute. I like those a lot. Then finally in this box, oh my God, I can tell I'm really gonna like this. So nice, guys. Okay, it is this adorable French blue and white striped shirt, and it's super lightweight, and it has the cutest little tie detail in the back. I am obsessed with this. This is definitely, to me, worth every penny. I love this. This is so my style. Y'all will be seeing this coming up in videos. Retails for $45, which I would never spend, but to think that this is like the price of almost the entire box like makes it worth it in my opinion. I really love this. I don't know if it's everybody's style, but it's by the brand Fate by LFD. And it's just this gorgeous, this could be so cute over a bathing suit. Oh, I love this. I can't wait to try it on. Okay, so recap of the box. I think that I got a lot for $50. Shirt and the jacket in itself I think is worth $50, but then you get all that extra stuff too. For me, being such a bargain shopper, I'm not sure I'd be inclined to spend $50 every month, but I could totally see myself splurging quarterly to kind of have a fun, like, treat yourself day of just unboxing stuff that was picked out for you is a lot of fun. So I'll leave all that in the description, and if you're inclined to purchase this, you can use the code Julia15 at checkout for 15% off your order. I just want to put that out there. It's not an affiliate code, so I'm not making any money if you use my link, but you are saving some, so that's just, I got you, boo. Well, okay, you guys, so that is it for my fashion crate unboxing. Comment down below your thoughts if you think it's worth it, what you liked out of my box, what you think could have been done differently. Leave a comment down below. Your feedback is always encouraged. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed unboxings. Also, if you're not already subscribed, I want to invite you at this time to stick around by subscribing. It's a free way to help your girl out, and like, y'all know how much I love a bargain, so I love y'all so much, and I hope you have a great day, an even better week, and I'll catch up with y'all later.
We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do.